Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So in today's vlog, I'm getting the chrome restored. Yes, you heard me right. So this chrome is very shabby. It is not up to its mark. It's not been shining anymore. So this bike is a 2013 model and I've done a couple of polishes for this, but now it is all stained out. I've got water stains, I've got some muck on it, and so I'm just gonna try something new. So I tried contacting the detailing guys as well, but they came up with a huge quote for me. So I don't want to spend so much on the bike, so I just thought, okay, why don't I try something new before I give it for service or getting it polished outside. So if this works out, I can actually save a lot of money as well on it, right? And if you look at the bike, the chrome parts over here, even this is this bolt is rusted, so that needs to be adhered to. This is aluminum part, but still it is faded. It's not chrome, so that also needs to be polished. And then the mirror is chrome. Even that is faded, so I'll polish that as well. And then what else? We'll go to the other side. So front, So we'll go to the other side now. Over here we have the derby cover, right? The Harley logo, which is so this, oh my god, that is very, very dirty. So as you can see, this muck doesn't come off. It's not just muck, it's kind of stain. I tried washing the bike as well. That's the reason the floor is wet, but this is not going, so I need to get that done. And this is an aluminum head casing, so this needs to be polished too. So I'm just gonna do that now, and let's see how it goes. And to start with, guys, we need steel wool. When I say steel wool, this is actually a steel wool, but this is not the one which we're going to use. This we use for the vessels, right, in the kitchens. So this is not what you're going to use. Instead, this is what we're going to use. So these two look a lot different. This has got a lot of steel and this has more of wool in it, right? So this is very soft, minute steel particles, so you would not scratch your exhaust or any of the metal parts. But if you're going to use the other one, definitely you're going to scratch it. So be careful. This is the one to use and not the one. But I will tell you where you can find this. And now this is the polish that I'm going to use. This is just a brass polish that I could find on the the closest hardware store. So you would definitely get it from any hardware stores as well, or I would definitely mention some polishes in the description below so that you guys can find that as well. And these two along, it costed me close to 200 bucks. So the polish was 60 and the steel was around 140. So this is just a basic polish and nothing else. It's not a special bike polish or something. So I'm just gonna keep it as simple as possible. All right. So this is the wool that I was talking to you about. So we need quite some. Okay. This should do. Right. So, okay, hello. Okay, so I'll get with this. Right, so all we have to do is just rub. Okay. You see the difference? The difference is immediately seen.
Wow, look at that, guys. Looks so smooth and it's fine. Hope you guys can see it now.
So I'm going to record the entire process so that you guys can see what is happening, and it's not going to be edited. All right. So I'm just going to wipe the exhaust very mildly. I'm not even exerting a lot of pressure or something on this. You can just call it like I'm just giving 1 or 2% of pressure on it. I'm not exerting at all. Right. So I'm just gonna rub this, and you guys can see the difference already. Oh gosh, you see that it's already started shining. And so this is something really nice. See, that's beautiful. Wow. So this is very, very simple, guys. I am sure all the Royal Enfield and the Harley guys are gonna love this process. Whoever has chrome on the bikes or car, you guys are gonna love it, because this is the simplest technique that I could ever find. And thanks to a friend of mine, Manoj, who gave me this idea. He's actually into detailing, so he was the one who gave me this idea, and he told me, go do this, and your chrome will be amazing. And trust me, I'm happy. I'll just finish this off, and I'll just show you this. And check this out, guys. This is only with the steel wool and not with the polish at all. So this is the first coat. Now, the first layer I'm just rubbing off, and then I would be using the polish. Wow, I'm happy, man. I'm really happy.
It has come out really well. And this is just with the steel wool. I have the polish to be applied yet. This is just with the steel wool. I must say it is really nice. So next round will be with the polish. It'll look even better. What do you guys think? It looks good. If it does, please do smash that like button, alright? So I need all your support to do that for me. I'll just see you in a bit.
Alright, so now for the side, this is a lot more dirtier and the trickier than the other part, the exhaust. So now let's go with this. Wow. Like, guys, I repeat, I'm not pressing in, it's just a feather touch kind, but I'm just gliding through it. I'm not pressuring on it or something. Even the kids can do this. So you guys try this at home, try it on your bullets, because bullets, before those chromes, they tend to dull out a lot quicker than this. So it'll be really, really helpful for you guys. And you don't have to spend too much as well. So this video is definitely not edited, so I'm just continuously recording it so that you guys can see that I'm not doing anything extra on it, so that you guys believe me on it. This is not basically my idea, it's one of my friend's ideas. We just he actually owned a detailing center before, so now he wound up the business, so he came up with this idea, saying that dude, this is what we used to do. And but he's not here in India, though he's in US, so they don't actually reveal out these techniques. If not, everybody else is going to do this. They're not going to get the customers as well. Wow, now look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? This is completely done. This entire part is chrome now. Wow, it's so soft as well. You can notice there are no scratches, absolutely nothing, no lines at all. Wow, I'm happy with this. I can do. Wow, wow, simply wow. So now we'll start off with this part, and the entire gear car, and then we'll go with the alloys. Now for this part, even it's like a lot faded, and even if I wash it, it's not gonna give me the the soft feel. So you can see how rough it is. I believe you can hear it, right? So that's how it is. So I'm just gonna go with that. Look at that. You see the muck? That's the residue on it. So all that comes off. So don't get me wrong, this is not chrome, alright? This part is basically aluminum finish, and only this is chrome. So this might not give the entire finish of the proper chrome. So for this we definitely need to use the the polish that I've bought. So but still we'll just rub one layer off, and then we'll go with the polish. Then we'll just check how good it looks. But to be honest, even this is actually doing the trick. So the the what is that thing called, the aluminium, is actually giving out a good look as well onto it. Oh, see that? Yeah, but one thing I'll tell you, that this process is gonna take you some time, because you definitely need to do it. And I believe people who are watching this video, you guys are actually interested on working on your vehicles, which I am. I and my friends are. So for us, this is very relaxing and very enjoyable as well. So we can do that. I'm so sorry about that. Somebody just turned on the motor. So I've got chrome there as well. So I'm just gonna do the same trick. Wow, look at that, man. Spot on. It's like a day and night difference, it's wow. I'm really happy. I'm very, very happy. So Manoj, thank you so much for this tip. I would definitely remember you. I mean, wow, this is really, really nice. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna apply some polish, and once I apply this polish, I'm just gonna wipe it with just a cloth. That should be done. I think I hurt my finger. Yes, I did. Ouch. Oh, okay. Alright guys, so one word of advice, while using the steel wool, try wearing a glove or something, because I've actually picked my hand. So that's one advice I can give you guys. So be just careful with this, because my skin is very sensitive, and maybe that's the reason I pricked my finger. Not, man, it just slightly bleeded, but nothing else. So I would say, advise you guys to wear a glove. Yet I'm still doing it because I don't have a glove with me right now. So this is with polish, by the way. So now you can see the difference, alright? So I'm just, let me just rub it. I'll just wipe it now with a cloth. 1 second. Now I'll just finish this as well, and then I'll wipe it. Yeah, so that'll save some time for me as well. And for the steel wool part, this is called the 000 or 5, 00000, or you get 5 zeros or 3 zeros. So I'm using the 50 grade steel wool. So I would recommend you guys to do the same. You do get the 000 grade one as well. Anyways, I will link it in the description below, so you guys can buy from it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do smash that like button, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. So with that, I'm almost done. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Cheers, guys. Have a good one, and be safe. Bye-bye.